Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pradipta Kumar. Welcome to today's session. So today we will discuss about one topic, that is how to configure the YUM repository to deny some packages to be installed. So let's go for the practical. So friends, if you want to deny some packages from the installation, then you can do in this way. So in our case, so first I will try to install package. Okay, so yum install ftp. Okay, so friends, now it is when I am giving yum install space ftp, then it is dependency resolved, then it is trying to install. Okay, if I press yes, then it will get installed. Okay, so now i will I will deny this package from the installations. Okay, ftp package. Okay, so I have to exclude, I have to edit in the yum.conf file, yum.conf. Okay, and I have to put ftp in the, sorry, uh, I have to put the ftp package in the exclude list. Okay, so I will give insert more, then ftp star. So exclude space star, then bracket all, then bracket end, space ftp star. So here, so it will exclude the ftp, whatever the package starting with the ftp, so it will exclude the that package only. Okay, so now install the ftp package, yum install ftp. Let's see what is happening. So now it is saying no package ftp available, so it is denying the, denying the ftp package to be installed. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy the session. So you can also deny multiple packages by adding in the exclude list. Okay, so thank you very much, have a good day, bye bye.